Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Imqiraas Tech. Friends, there is a huge amount of secrecy around the new products of Sony Xperia, but there are some leaks about Sony Xperia 5 Plus. Several tidbits have trickled into public knowledge. Here is what we have heard so far. So, first thing is its storage. So, Sony Xperia 5 Plus will have 128 GB of storage, and it will also support 1 TB of external memory card. Talk about the camera. The most recent rumors point towards 4 cameras on the rear, include a 12 megapixel camera, a 64 megapixel camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and another 2 megapixel time of flight camera. New leaks about Snapdragon 865 are true about Sony Xperia 5 Plus. And yes, it will have a 5G capability. Screen will 6.6 inches and aspect ratio 21:9 as they are using in their previous models. Talk about connectivity. The Sony Xperia 5 Plus will feature fast charging, but it is currently unclear if the device will support wireless charging. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell icon.